Hello guys, this year I'll be trying to complete the advent of code. I've never done it before, and I'll be trying to do it in Kotlin and Rust. I'm terrible at Rust, and I'm okay at Kotlin at best, so we'll see how that goes. Just thought I'd give a run through every time I finish a day, try and give a little walkthrough of what I've done. The first question is pretty much we get a list of strings, an array of strings, and we want to add the first character instance of a digit with the last character instance of a digit. So you can see here the first character that's a digit is 1, and the last character in the string that's a digit is 2. So you want to add these strings together. So 1 plus 2 as strings would be 12. And then we do this for every line in the file and add them all together in the end. So I've gone ahead and done that. So you can see here we take in the input by reading the file, and we get it as a list of strings. Then we go through that list, and for each list we sum it up. We get the first digit of the string, and we find the first character that is a digit, and then we find the last character in that string that's a digit. We add them together. There you go. Part 2. In part 2, it's just the same thing but a little bit harder, because now instead of only being a digit, it can also be a string representation of a digit. So here we have 2 and 9 as the first and last string representations of a digit, or it can be a bit of both. So this one here is 1 is a string representation of a digit, and then 4 is a digit. So 1 plus 4 is 14. You can see that. We add them all up. What I've done here is I made a list of numbers, and then I made a number map. And pretty much, so we're going to go through the list of strings again, and for each string we get the first digit. And here what I did was I pretty much made this isString or digit function, which returns a nullable string. So if it finds a string or a digit string, it will return that string. So you can see here, if it finds a digit, so say for example it finds number 9, it will return that number 9. Or if it finds the string 9, it'll pretty much go through all of these and then see if it finds the number 9 from its current index. If the substring from the current index can become 9, and that'll return the map of 9. And then if not, it'll return null. So what happens here is that to get the first digit, we get the first non-null value returned by this function. And for the last value here, we pretty much go through the whole string, and we get every single digit and digit string representation, and then that's not null, and we'll just take the last one of those, and then we add them together. That's all. Thanks for watching. You can see the code in the GitHub repository in the description. Thanks.